Hello everyone, welcome to the development Deepity's number 2. Today I would like to share with you how I created color changing materials in Godot. This technique is useful to add character customization colors, theme colors, or to save time on creating a variety of assets. In my implementation, it is a combination of Aseprite scripting and Godot visual shaders. In such system, I want to achieve a few goals. First, I want to select areas of a sprite where the color will be replaced. I don't want to touch any other colors of the sprite by accident. Second, I want to easily tell the shader to replace all shades of green with shades of blue, without specifying each shade separately. At last, I want to be able to shift the color brightness, not only the hue. For example, I want to be able to replace all shades of blue with simply brighter shades of blue. So let's now get to the implementation. I figured I can store the color replacement information in the same texture file as the rest of the sprite. I create up to 4 color layers, which simply tell what area of the sprite should be replaced with color 0, color 1, and so on. For example, on this cube, the layer color 0 simply covers the top face, color 1 covers the left face, and color 2 covers the face on the right. Color 3 covers the extra face that appears when the cube rotates. I look up these color layers in Aseprite script. If they are present, I replace the original color of the sprite with something that I will later be able to identify and use in the Godot shader. In my case, I don't have any gray colors in my palette where red, green and blue have the same value, so I write such gray colors into the texture file, and later in the shader I can check if red equals green equals blue, then I need to replace such a color. Speaking of palette, it is called Apollo and was created by Adam from IndieTales. You can find a link to it in the description. To distinguish between the shades of the same color, I use 6 shades of gray in output, which is the number of shades in the palette I use. You can use any encoding, but I prefer to use gray in a way where the output image will be similarly shaded to the original image when you open it as a raw file. Then, to tell apart the 4 color layers, I shift the 6 gray colors by a small amount that I can pick up in the shader. For the shader to know what colors to actually display, I use a tiny image where I draw which color will become what when shifted by hue and brightness. For example, when I say replace color layer 0 with colors x equal 2 and y equal 4, the shader will use shades of 1, 2, 3, 4 red color shifted in brightness by 1 and 2 steps. That is pretty much it. Now I have a very small but powerful way to manipulate colors in my game. As a popular request, I will be sharing some of my game files in the public repository. You can find the link in the description. Let me know what you think of such Deepity, and I will see you soon in the next episode.